Hey guys, how are you doing? I am doing kind of alright. First, let me say happy October. I am super stoked that the spooky season is here. Has been here for a few months. I've just been busy. I am finally able to bring you my Halloween haul, or my first Halloween haul of the season. I've gotten a lot of stuff so far and it's been dispersed. Usually I keep it before I like unload it and wash dishes and do laundry and like put it into the house. Usually I'll set it aside, but it's been so long that I've had a lot of this stuff, so I incorporated things into the house already. So there are going to be some things that I miss for sure. So the first things that I'll show you are some mugs. Of course, these I got at TJ Maxx. They're similar but different. Some spooky haunted houses with little ghost details. I think there may be some bats. And then it has crosses on the inside. And at the bottom it says trick or treat. They're super, super big, so you could use it as a bowl, cereal bowl, noodle bowl, any kind of food. This one has a little pug on it and a cape. Has paws and bats on the inside, and it says Count Dogula. Sticking with the mug theme, let me see, I got this. This is a Rae Dunn mug. Rae Dunn is apparently a very popular designer with like normal people. You know, like just, you know, your basic, your mundanes, your regular folk of the world. But this Halloween stuff, I don't think I've ever seen it before. I think it might be new this year. I really, I don't know, maybe I just didn't see it last year, but this is so aesthetically pleasing for a spooky home. The font reminds me a lot of the font of the Barry Sonnenfeld Addams Family films. You know, how like it was very skinny, kind of like wiggly, and you know, that's, it just looks like the Addams Family font to me a little bit. It reminds me of that. So I got this in a set of 2. I found it at TJ Maxx. It was a TJ Maxx / Home Goods, like one of those. This one says Toxic, but the other one, the counterpart, says Witch. So I used it this morning, and that's why it's not present with us, because it is currently dirty and down in the dishwasher or waiting to be washed or something. It's downstairs somewhere, maybe. I don't know. With me, you can never tell. I lose my coffee cups often. It might even be over there. I don't know. So it's kind of like wonky, very like Tim Burton because of that claymation thing. It just feels like very claymation-y and like off kilter. I just love this stuff, and I really want to find some more of her stuff. Like there's bowls and plates and like Happy Halloween. I think there's stuff with skeletons on it. There's more different mugs. There are ones that say spooky that are black and then orange on the inside, I think. I just really want all of those, but I can't find them because apparently, I don't know, they're very rare or something, or people keep snapping them up. But just let me know. If you find one somewhere, tag me in it on Instagram, the Saramonster. I'll put it up here. I'll put it down there. Freaking tag me, because I need more Rae Dunn Halloween stuff. Not Rae Dunn normal stuff, but Rae Dunn Halloween stuff. Okay? This is a coffee mug, hot mug, to-go mug. Does it say what it is on here? Not really. It's just, you know, a go mug. I don't know. But it's not, you can't put it in the microwave, but you can put it in the dishwasher, so that's nice. It has a hard top, comes with like a rubbery kind of grippy warmer thing is made of bamboo, so it's biodegradable and apparently eco-friendly. I don't know, I really like that about it too. Has some graveyard stuff down here at the bottom. Stay spooky. Trick or treat. Rest in peace. Creeper reel. You guys can read. Why am I reading this for you? But, you know, it's just so cute. I love the orange clouds and, like, the floating skull. I got two, one for me and one for Evan. They had a bunch of these, like, different designs and stuff. They had ones with cats and a whole bunch of them. But we got these two. That was at a Home Goods. This was also at Home Goods, that same Home Goods. This is the almost exactly like the glasses that we've gotten like the year before last, but those were like smaller, shorter rocks glasses. We found more of those, got a couple of those, and then we also got these tall glasses. And I think that they are not supposed to go in the dishwasher, but we put them in there anyway and it's fine. But they're really nice and heavy on the bottom. And they were like $2.99 a piece, so it's a very good deal. Also from TJ Maxx, got more bone candles. These little guys that I do love very much. I also got these candles from TJ Maxx Home Goods. I think this is specifically a Home Goods. But they're just some really normal, boring taper candles. And it's 6 of them for $6. So it's $1 a candle. And I needed candles to melt because I'm like melting wax around the base of my candlesticks to make them look, you know, spookier and more aged and just generally cooler. So if you go to like Joann or Michael's and you go to their singular taper candle section, it's like $2 for one of these or something. So this is actually a good deal. Technically not a Halloween thing, but kind of, because it's for a Halloween craft. There's a couple more things from Home Goods. This was specifically a Home Goods store, and it was the more recent time that I went. I got 3 bowls that are Wicked by Circa. I think Circa is the company and Wicked is like the collection. I don't know. I always like their stuff, and it always comes to TJ Maxx and Home Goods during the spooky season. So I got these 3 bowls. There were more there. I think there was like another big one and then 2 more that were a size in between these 2, which I really wanted, but I had already checked out. And when I was going back around to possibly maybe get them, I saw a family of spooky people walk in, and I was like, you know, you can't hog it all. Leave it, because everybody else needs something spooky too. Okay, you can't just wipe out TJ Maxx. Not fair. So this is like a stoneware bowl with silicone seal lid and steam release button. Like, I don't know how this works, but I haven't tried it yet. But it opens like that. It's so nice. This, like, the material is just, it's so lovely, and it's heavy, and it's a real bowl. It's like, you know, Target used to do stuff like this like 10 years ago, and now everything is plastic, and I just really, really appreciate Home Goods and TJ Maxx for stocking usable, durable, real things that are spooky and Gothic and Halloween themed. I really, really appreciate it, because it's the only place we can get it other than like Amazon or something, and I really like going shopping and feeling it first. I don't know. So I appreciate you, Home Goods. I really, really do. Thank you. And then this one is much bigger. I mean, you know, it's just so good because it's very good for party chips and hummus. I don't know. It's just very good, and I love it so much. And I'm really, I'm sad that I left the bowls, the other bowls, but I hope that they got them and they take good care of them. Anyway, it's a bowl. It's not a sentient being. Sarah, leave it alone. Okay, so this is the last thing I think in this haul from TJ Maxx. I don't know. Probably not. Probably not. So this is some hand towels. Boo. Just like Voltaire, there is a curse of the hand towels. It's been going around for a couple of years now. Either they're like really tacky, stupid designs, or they're not functional, as in there are embellishments that are obviously like, that's a hanging towel, you're not supposed to use that, you can't use it. If you did use it, it would scratch you, or some, like, how are you going to dry clean that? Terrible. Or it's like a dish towel that is made of vinyl and it like repels water or something, which is crazy because it's supposed to be a towel. I don't know. So there are a lot of towels out there that are dish towels that are just like not functional. It's just two little towels and they say boo, both of them. It's like a 2 foot long, really big, really fluffy actual hand towel. And if you do see these out, I would pick them up because I would have gotten like 10 more if I had seen them. But this was the only pair that I saw. And it's from, let me see, they were $10, so it's kind of pricey, $5, but I'll have them for a really long time. The company is Casaba. I know that there is like a ton more crap that has just like been incorporated into the house. So I will be doing another one. I hope you guys are having a really lovely, fun, spooky October, and I hope you're well. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video, which will hopefully be like very soon. A couple days, maybe tomorrow.